We are looking for moms and dads, kids, teenagers, toddlers, anyone who's never had a green smoothie. Today's the day they are. If you had to use one word to describe it, looking at it, what would you?
Guts.
It reminds me of like that goo.
It's green. No, we've been nervous. It's like gooey and there's like no label on there.
I don't know. It's green. It seems weird. I don't know.
I love it. I actually like it.
It looks like green goo, but it tastes delicious.
Oh, it's nice.
That's good. Okay. What do you think? It tastes just like a regular smoothie.
It's like a healthy slushy. Yeah, like a Slurpee.